Objective. After listening to this module, you'll be able to describe biofeedback and the premises upon which it is based. Assessing stress. Take a look at this image. If the image appears to be moving, it means you're stressed. The faster it moves, supposedly the more stressed you are. If it's completely stationary, then you're supposedly not stressed. Take a look at this one and this one. Obviously, these are not scientifically tested or validated assessments of stress, but they're kind of interesting. Before we talk about coping techniques, let's first discuss different ways to assess whether we're stressed or relaxed, although most of us probably already know when we're stressed or relaxed. The stress card requires that you place your thumb on the card, and then it purports to identify the extent to which you are feeling stressed or relaxed by displaying a particular color. Black means you're stressed, while blue means you're relaxed. Similarly, a customized mood mouse pad changes color when you use it, which supposedly helps discover the extent to which you feel stressed or relaxed. There's even a stress indicator, which is a computer program that purports to identify causes of stress through vocal analysis. By speaking into the mobile device or computer microphone about your life, the software identifies sources of stress by using mathematical formulas. These formulas supposedly identify, measure, and analyze patterns in the frequency of your voice, which helps identify areas of your life that are causing the most stress. Some of these gadgets might be somewhat silly and not very valid or credible. However, biofeedback, which is basically any information we observe about our bodies, provides very credible measurements of whether you're stressed or relaxed because it directly assesses physiological activity and provides measurements that don't involve a mouse pad changing colors or images appearing to move. It involves actual physiological activity. A mirror offers a clear reflection of our physical exterior. Biofeedback offers a clear reflection of our physical interior. Many physiological functions that take place inside our bodies are much more difficult to visually observe compared to a reflection of our exterior body, yet they're very important in determining the extent to which we feel stressed or relaxed. The purpose of biofeedback is to teach people to recondition their response to relaxation techniques so they gain a stronger feel for how to relax a particular body region. Biofeedback itself is not a relaxation technique, but it's usually done in conjunction with relaxation techniques. Physiological parameters. Common clinical biofeedback tests are an EMG, which is a test done to assess the electrical activity conducted by your muscles, an EKG, which assesses electrical activity conducted by the heart, an EEG assesses electrical activity conducted by the brain, and a GSR assesses electrical activity conducted by the skin. Remember, biofeedback is any information we observe about our body. It doesn't have to involve an expensive, sophisticated machine. Biofeedback could be as simple as taking your heart rate. Your heart rate is the easiest biofeedback measure that doesn't require use of any equipment. The principles or premises upon which biofeedback are based are: number one, information can be obtained about specific organ activity. Number two, every physiological change is caused by a change in attitude or consciousness. Number three, people can be taught to control their autonomic nervous systems to influence these changes. In other words, people can be taught to control their physiology. So taking your heart rate before and after doing the relaxation techniques gives you an idea as to how relaxing that particular technique was, at least for your body. You might prefer a technique that didn't produce the biggest drop in heart rate, and that's okay. Key points. Biofeedback refers to information we observe about our bodies and is typically something as simple as a heart rate or assessing electrical activity conducted by our muscles, heart, brain, and skin. Basic premises of biofeedback are that information can be obtained about specific organ activity, every physiological change is caused by a change in attitude or consciousness, and people can be taught to control their physiology. And that's it.